So this is how you go to the next line in Google Sheets. Maybe you have a lot of data and you want to move around here. So there's a couple of keyboard shortcuts. We can use the arrows just to go down lines. We can use arrows to go right and left. We can also hit enter and it's going to put our focus right into the cell we're in. But if we hit enter again, it's going to go down. So if we hit enter, we're going to focus on that cell and then hit down. So that's actually a really easy way to use Google Sheets and to edit each line. If you're like, oh, this is Andrew K, hit enter again, Penelope P, hit enter again, and we can be editing through all of these cells, at least this column, just by hitting the enter key. But I want to show you one really cool trick that makes your life way better, is when you're navigating around here, if you want to go to the very last line or row where there is data or there is no longer any data, meaning these two are in a sort of group and then there's all of this, I can hold down the command on a Mac or control on a PC and hit the down arrow. And it's going to go to the last cell that has data. But then when I do that again, hold down command, hit down arrow, it's going to skip all of the blanks. See, I can go through the entire list or see that there's nothing left here just by hitting command and down. Now if I go over to the city column and I do the same thing and I'm like, okay, I want to go to the next available one, meaning that has some data in it. There it is. And it was on line 79. Now look, if I did that by just scrolling through, it would take me a few moments, right? But scrolling with command and the arrow keys is really, really useful for navigating around incomplete data sets like this. I hope that's super awesome for you. I hope you really enjoyed that little trick. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.